As is the case with most word problems on the GMAT, there's a long way and a short way to solve this question. For the short way, you want to focus your attention on not the $3 per tool and not the $8 per tool, but the difference between the 3 and the 8, so $5 per tool. And the reason I know that that's a good idea is because the question is centered around gross profit, and the gross profit per tool would be the difference between the revenue and the cost. So we're getting $5 per tool, and we're selling 20,000 of them. So that's $5 times 20,000, that's 100,000. Now we were also told that the cost was $10,000 on top of however many tools we produced. So 10,000 taken away from 100,000 leaves us with a $90,000 profit. Now, since the question is asking for the gross profit per tool, we should divide the $90,000 by the number of tools, which was 20,000, and then we get the correct answer, which is 4.5. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.